Collecting has probably been in my blood. I think you are born with being a collector. And when I got into apple labels, it was a whole new world because they are so graphic and so pretty. And both my husband and I have been collectors of postage stamps. And as probably at least 75% of the people who are collecting apple labels also collect postage stamps. But when you have a little teeny thing and all of a sudden this beauty becomes bigger, it's much more fun to go out and seek them than just on an envelope or something. And so we got into the graphics of the apple labels, and once you get 2 or 3, then you got to have a whole bunch more. And then you start collecting different companies and different areas, and you just go on and on and on. And there are so many out there, and almost weekly you can come up with a different apple label. Where postage stamps, you run out of things to do. So kind of that's how I got started in collecting on the apple labels, but because they were local history.